Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with SmartOptionTrading.com. I'm doing a special State of the Market video tonight as our daily recap. We've had quite the day here in the markets, and some sellings come here into the markets, catching everybody a little off guard. Friday, we closed on the highs at the top of the range, looked like we were ready to break out. We had inflows this morning, and the thought was that we could push, get the new all-time high, and that did not happen. And you can see right out of the gate, we were weak overnight. And then right out of the gate, first candle was down, and we've had very little in any type of bounce here today. And here we are into the lows of the day in this 550 area. And it's important to notice now that we broke this box. It was at roughly 554.50 to 563.30, and we've broken this box to the downside. We sliced through the 8-day, we sliced through the 21-day, and here's your 50-day sitting here not far from here at 548.86. So, we'll see what we want to do here today. This caught a little bit off guard, a little bit surprised. Now, seasonality is not good, but we'll see. It is worth noting the ES is already through the 50-day. Okay, it sliced through all three and is looking weaker. The Qs got beaten up. Qs were trying to break this downtrend, a little cup and handle pattern. We talked about that charting yesterday and gap down, broke it. Here it is on the 100-day. The semis got absolutely destroyed, breaking down here as well. Big move down. NVIDIA took out the 115 area, which was the after hours earnings low, and sliced through the 100-day. Was our next area to watch. And, now is it possible that the 200-day and this 90 area come into play if it keeps coming in? So we'll keep an eye on that. AMD also breaking lower today. Maybe wants to retest those lows around 122. What else? The financials held in. They put a new all-time high and still above the 8-day. JP Morgan back on the 8-day, but not so good under the covers. Goldman Sachs got drilled to the 50-day. So definitely seeing some selling coming in. IBM was strong out of the gate, just missed a new all-time high before reversing. Energy remains very weak as crude is weak. The IWM also weakening here, coming back down. So not a lot of safety here today. The diamond's also getting hit. If you're looking for safety, we charted P&G yesterday. I talked with members this morning. I forgot about it. New all-time high. Beautiful breakout on Procter & Gamble today. J&J new highs in this range. Gilead very strong. Coke absolutely no quit. They're hiding in consumer staples. The VIX big move today. If this move would look massive if you were to get rid of these candles. So if I was to do something like take this candle out, watch this. It'll come back tomorrow. All right, and then let's do that. Just take out a couple of these candles here. Right, you can start to see the size and the scope of this candle. This is a very, very big candle on the VIX today, and it's been pushing. Here it is up at the highs and pushing back up here as well. So this is worth noting. When you look around out there, tech names got beaten up. Microsoft today was strong early. It was leading. If you look on a 5-minute chart, it was green earlier when the market was red. It was highs of the day before it came in. Back below the 200-day. Meta also was highs of the day. Look at it pushed up before coming in. The 50-day now in play down around this 504.20 area. Apple also today, looked decent for a while, held in much stronger for a little bit, and then has capitulated. And here it is all the way on the 50-day already. Remember, their event's coming up. We traded Tesla a couple times today. Tesla, nice move up here today. Tried to push in this weak market, come down. Still up and still stronger names. Watch this trend line that comes into play. Overall, holding in better. Amazon tried to hold in as well today and held in much better. Still has half of Friday's candle, still holding the 8 and the 21-day. So notable strength there. Google testing the 200-day here. This is a big spot for Google, whether it holds or not. So, this is where I say you should be getting your shopping list together, but no rush to buy. Netflix would had a nice chart, broke down to the 21-day. Boeing, we called as a short this morning, broke to a new range low on that downgrade from Wells Fargo and put in a 52-week low. There's just no love for this stock right now. So the bottom line here is some risk has come into the market. We didn't have big volume, and that's the one thing I would look at today and say, yep, we're down, but there's no big volume on it. Is seasonality selling? It could be. You look at the SPY volume with 14 minutes to go. We're at 42 million, 3 million shares. Yeah, we'll finish probably around 55 or 60, but it ain't no great shakes. And, take a deep breath. Seasonality is a tough time of the year. For me today, I traded to the long side. I made money on Tesla, Meta, Tesla again, Tesla, then a nice trade on Nvidia to the upside, and just took a small loss on TQQQ trying to catch a reversal trade on it that didn't work. And I think, you just look to say how you feel. I didn't feel like shorting today. I didn't think we are going to get this action, but I was also smart enough to mostly stay out of the way. And sometimes that's all you have to do is say, I'm going to stay out of the way and I'll wait till I get what I'm looking for. So with that said, I wish you guys all well. If you want to join us, smartoptiontrading.com, a link in the description below, join the live trading room, and I will catch you guys all bright and early tomorrow morning.